Back at it again. Back at it again with the videos, you heard? Got the same music playing too. Maybe should I look this up first? I'm not sure if there's one or two or what the situation. I'm not sure because there's also a first cat over there, I think, but I'm not sure where that.
Yeah, there's one up there. And
yeah.
This is probably the second cat. Why went up? Why went first this cat? First main cat. Do this first. What's up?
So we're gonna take a spin and. Resonator. Kind of resonated, bro. It has a whole dip in the middle, bro. It's hot as heck. You know, next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put coilovers in there.
What are you gonna do?
Coilovers. You wanna give me a bike? Oh yeah? Yeah. Whose bike is that? Is that his? Is your bike? Oh, it's your transportation? Don't worry, bro. At least your bike didn't get stolen, bro. Somebody stole my bike, bro. Hey, it's the jams. Y'all be listening to this all day, yeah? Yeah. La, 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 la. See, that's why you invited me, because you need some. Yeah, this is the cat, bro. Look at it. You don't think it's the cat? That's why it has the holes in it, though, right?
Not
Resonator?
What we doing that is the cat.
Alright. Ooh, you got catching my car on fire, huh? What you doing up here? You got my car on fire, huh? You see it red hot? Yeah, man. Yeah, you're gonna start it up this time. Yeah. You did it already? You done? Man. All right. So you miss me, bro? Yeah, bro. Part two. Oh, sheesh. All right. Let's see that butterfly effect. Okay. Yes, sir. Say something that people would like.
People like come to do muffler delete. What's up?
My God.
Oh, you can't put it.
At lunchtime.
I put this on.
What the heck?
I mean, we don't need the picture.
Okay, read the picture. Come on.
You don't want to be in the picture? All right, let's do it.